how to add tags on your Squarespace website. So I am on the Squarespace dashboard here, and I'm simply going to click on selling, which is going to load up my website and the selling section here. Now we want to scroll down until we see settings. So just click on settings here, and then you want to go to the bottom of this page here. No, I just lied. We want to go to selling again. And if we scroll down, you will see taxes here. So just click on taxes, and here we can manually add taxes to our Squarespace websites. If I click on add rate, I can choose the country which I want to add the rate for. So for example, if I search for the United States, I can find it right here, and I can select the different states here which I want to add taxes for. So if I do Illinois and I click on next, we can set the state rate here. So for example, 20%, and we can also charge or take this charge taxes on services and digital products, and we can also charge taxes on shipping. Now you will need to add a zip code here, zip code rate, and click on save. So now how is tax added? We can choose either a checkout or it can be included in the price as well. So that's how you add taxes in Squarespace. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.